I'm a plumber. Been a plumber for 40 years. And my great-grandfather was a plumber, so I'm the fourth generation in Gardner Plumbing. My great-grandfather started a company back in 1893.
But Tom isn't any ordinary plumber. Tom is a plumber by day and during the holiday season plays Santa by night.
Well, actually, 10 years ago, I got a phone call from Project ARC, which is an organization that deals with children with the AIDS virus and HIV. She goes, "Have you ever played for like 140 kids?" And I said, "No, I haven't done that, but you just sit in a chair a little bit longer." So she goes, "Well, we got 140 kids that have the HIV virus. Would you be interested in playing for them?" We did that at their Christmas party.
He didn't realize when he began playing Santa Claus years ago that it could possibly snowball into an instrumental charity organization that has helped many. But Santa Needs Help has done just that.
Project ARC, then we did Friends of Kids with Cancer and Dream Factory, and we would just show up at their parties and we would bring the snow cones, popcorn, and things like that.
And that's where the volunteers come in. But it's not all work.
The first party I went to where I'm like, oh my gosh, I know that kid, I know that kid. And for me to see these kids outside the hospital atmosphere and they're like eating snow cones and throwing popcorn and, you know, shoving as many Gus's pretzels as you can. It was so fun because I don't see them in a very fun light at work.
You know, it's come to be almost a circus, okay? We have alpacas and llamas and we have chinchillas. And we just added a hedgehog. We got snakes now. You know, I think we got a traveling circus. You know, I'm serious. We've got a traveling circus.
And leaves each Santa Needs Help function with this.
Such a rewarding experience to have those kids just sit there and pour their heart out to you and smile at the same time.
For LUTV News, I'm Colleen Malone.